lose myself instead. I've got hours before me, only minutes ahead. Do I tell the full story or do I lose myself instead? If your life was a picture, what would it say? Would you stare up and wonder or regret every single day?
Okay, now at this point in the video, I wanted to roll the bike outside in the sunshine and show you around it. But there's a few reasons that can't happen today, I'm afraid. Firstly, there's no sunshine, it's chucking it down. But secondly, more with the bike. Tank badges haven't turned up yet. With anything where you order stuff for a project, you're always waiting for deliveries. So tank badges still to come. Fuel hoses, if you're eagle-eyed, you spotted that. Those fuel hoses that I use, they're a single-use crush fuel hose. Now I've squeezed that one on that side back together purely because there's a residue in the tank and I don't want it leaking out at this point. But both those fuel hoses at the front will be cut off and replaced, and one put on the tap as well. Once they're all done, I can put some fuel in and fire it up. But the third and main reason is obviously glaringly no seat. Now the seat itself on these Dyno wide glides, they are sublimely comfortable. They truly are. But unfortunately they look like something from Nana's house in the 1970s. They're really hideous with those deep buttons and nice pleats. Well, that ain't gonna fly on the beach, is it? So I've sent it to a local artisan upholsterer to completely remodel the shape on the back end, which is irrelevant because I'm not gonna carry pillion, and keep the front end the same and make me a really cool leather cover. I looked at the aftermarket options out there from all the famous names and they are horribly expensive and there's no guarantee that they're comfortable. So as I know my seat is and what I'm paying for in leather, completely remodeled, one of a kind, is going to cost me half the price of a top of the range aftermarket seat. Now, when the seat comes, I'll show you it. I'll give you a link to the insanely talented artisan upholsterer and you can all go and form a queue at his door because really and honestly, supporting craftsmen is what it's all about. And this guy, he's certainly one of them. Now, that's it for today. I can do no more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your cool comments on this. I really appreciate it. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Take it easy. Ride safe. And I'll see you next time.